Abaho bw'akakiiko ka Parliament ak'ebyobushubuzi kabanukabwanaho n'abakuru okurwa mu kitongole kya UDC ababebembirwe Minister of Trade and Cooperative David Bahati okuganira aha nshonga z'emigabo eyi gavumenti yaguzire omuri Munyonyo Speak Resort omu mwaka ogw'2007 kandi ngu kuruga obwe batwire batakureba Magoba kandi kibaasa kurara kyabareetera na share za gavumenti zatwarwa.
To be in this investment or venture, for how long did you anticipate? Because was this for purposes of Chogam? You said because Chogam is coming, let's have enough hotels, let's have enough investments, or it was just you were doing a business for life to say we'll be getting money from this as government. 2, how much have we lost in terms of shares? Because I understand that the losses are charged on shares. So if we had 25% shares and we have made these losses, how many shares now do we have? How many have we lost?
Our interrogation, our interaction, we are interested in the financial performance. And when we ask for these financial records, they say they don't have them here, but they are going to provide us that information. But also still, the information they are providing is for only 5 years, the last 5 years. And yet, this joint venture has been there for 16 years.
Witwa managing director w'ekitongole kya UDC nagira ngu batwire nibakora kandi losses bakozire zikakorwaho kandi gavumenti einemu emigabo ey'obucweka 25 kandi ahari rooms 777 gavumenti eineho igana 14 hamwe na hoteli y'erukukorwaho.
25% shareholding in Munyonyo Commonwealth Resort, equivalent to about 15 million ordinary shares. With your permission, Chair, if I may explain a little here for members to understand that within that compound, once you enter that gate, there are 3 companies right now. On the eve of COVID in 2019, there was a net profit that was realized. And the hope was that profit angle would continue in that direction. But between 2020, 21 and 22, the disruptions due to COVID and lockdowns and no movements and so on had a huge impact of maintaining that facility.
Vitu na bwanyuma Minister yagira ngo Bwahati bariyo nibakora Amagoba kandi nibija kuretera akakiiko ekihandiko okubatwire nibakora kandi za rosi tizino kuzirukwata ha migabo ya gavumenti.
Nka gavumenti tukagura shares emigabo omuri Munyonyo Resort mu mwaka gwa 2007 kandi cyabere kiriho murogo mwaka kwa kudwo ko kuleta aba presidency kuleta abakama bona bensi ba commonwealth kubarondera aho kubyama kandi no kurondera aho kulira. So twashara mungu tugure emigabo omuri Munyonyo twaguramo 25 harigana ayi turi kugambira turi gukora Amagoba, hari emyaka turakora Amagoba, hari emyaka tutarakora Amagoba nka business sona nko kuziratambura.
Hagati y'omwaka ogw'2006 n'ogw'2007 gavumenti ekagura emigabo eya billions 15 omuri Munyonyo Resort Hotel nk'omuringo gumwe ogw'okwongera kugaruza sente omu ihanga. Akakiiko aka kashaba kuguhu ebihandiko ebirikworeka nk'oku ebintu bitwire nibitambura okwiha batandikaho business egi.